Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company we have for sale a Haas TM1 vertical milling machine. It is equipped with an HRT 210B rotary table. It has 30 inches of X and 12 inches of Y and 16 inches of Z travels. Maximum RPM is 4,000. It uses Cat 40 tooling. And I'm going to jog it for a little bit and then run a program they've already got programmed into it. It's going to be drilling that piece of pipe or tubing that's right there, and we'll let you hear it run. I have noticed that the Z-axis is kind of growling. I think it's probably just that simple set of bearings for the lead screw. X-axis at 100 thousandths, Y-axis let's do the rotary table. Send it home. We'll set our part. I'm going to rotate it around where there's no hole and tap. Okay. See where it rolls. Now I'm going to rotate it around. That didn't work. Servo error. Now let's go in jog. Off. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, it broke the drill bit. How about that? All right. Well. I really think this machine would be a great starter for letting a young guy learn how to run it. I don't know how to run it. But everything works on it, so it has been used. If you can't tell from the video, it's got junk all over it. but it appears to be in fairly decent shape. Rotary table runs smooth and everything else runs smooth, so I don't know why not. This machine is 90 inches left to right, 64 inches front to back, 109 inches tall, and I estimate this machine to be around 4,500 pounds. And again, it's for sale at Long Machine Tool Company in Ferris, Texas. Thank you.